carrying the symbol of strength and freedom. These majestic creatures have journeyed alongside humans through many glorious chapters of history. However, horse farms for meat production are currently developing at an astonishingly fast pace. This has caused a great deal of controversy, as well as a wave of boycotts from animal protection organizations. So why is horse meat so highly regarded and able to maintain its place in the path of agricultural development? Right now, let's follow me as we uncover this mystery. When horses reach adulthood, to provide them with sufficient energy, they need a high-energy diet with fresh grass or hay as the primary component. In addition, adding grains such as oats and barley can help boost energy levels for horses that are more active. Horses also need to be provided with minerals and vitamins to maintain bone and joint health, especially if they are used in strenuous activities like racing or pulling carts. Additionally, to ensure the horse is always in the best condition, especially in places with extreme climates such as excessive heat, extra care is needed. They need to be given a cool bath about once every 2 weeks, as bathing too frequently can strip away the natural oils that protect their skin and coat. Since horses are highly mobile animals, they need to engage in regular and sufficient physical activity. Having horses run on a treadmill when the weather is unsuitable is also a great way to reduce their stress and enhance interaction with their trainer. Training starts with the basics, such as teaching horses to follow commands and practicing simple, gentle exercises. By developing the necessary skills for riding, racing, or other sports activities, horses become stronger and better prepared for future challenges. These experiences are only amazing when we get to see and touch these wonderful animals with our own eyes and hands. Restricting slaughter and protecting them will also contribute to building a more humane society, where people respect and treat animals well. What about you? Feel free to share your thoughts on this matter. Thanks for listening and exploring with us. See you in the next video. The breeding process of ostriches is one of the most fascinating and magical moments in the animal kingdom. Before mating, the male will engage in behavior such as dancing, flapping its wings, and calling out to attract the female. When the female accepts, she will lie down to allow the male to approach. The mating process is quick, usually lasting only a few minutes. The incubation process of ostrich eggs requires careful attention and precision to ensure the eggs develop properly and hatch into healthy chicks. Typically, the incubator maintains a temperature of 36 to 37 degrees Celsius and a humidity level of 30 to 40% for about 42 to 46 days. During the incubation process, the caretaker needs to regularly rotate the eggs to ensure even development. Once ostriches reach maturity and meet the standards for harvesting, the processing phase begins. They are typically processed using a closed-loop system in factories or through small-scale processing at local facilities. The butchering process of an ostrich is carried out through a series of careful steps to optimize the extraction of meat and other parts of the animal. processing ostrich leather is a complex and delicate process. The standout feature of ostrich leather is its unique circular quill pattern, which adds a distinct and luxurious touch to high-end fashion products.
Mink fur, long considered a symbol of luxury and sophistication, holds a special place in the world of fashion. More than just an accessory, mink fur offers warmth and softness, banishing the chill of winter while making the wearer feel confident and stand out. It is not merely a passing trend but a cultural icon, reflecting wealth, power, and the refined aesthetic of its owner. Minks are raised in environments that closely mimic nature, with carefully controlled temperature and lighting to keep them healthy and comfortable. As carnivores, their diet primarily consists of protein-rich, animal-based foods, supplemented with essential nutrients to ensure optimal health. To meet their specific nutritional needs, mink feed is produced through a modern industrial process that adheres to strict food safety standards. The timing for mink fur harvesting is determined when the fur has fully developed and meets quality standards. To ensure the process is carried out humanely, minks are anesthetized with CO2 gas before any further steps are taken. Using CO2 gas for anesthesia is considered one of the most humane methods available today. Organic debris, and bacteria. Providing sufficient nesting materials is essential to ensure the safety and comfort of mother minks and their offspring during the breeding season. Choosing the right materials helps the female mink feel secure and comfortable, which in turn stimulates milk production and encourages proper care for the young. With large-scale operations and significant investments in technology, mink farms in Russia have established modern production facilities that meet international standards. From these advanced farms, high-quality mink furs are produced to satisfy the demands of top fashion designers worldwide, while ensuring that the production process remains humane and sustainable. Thanks to the combination of large-scale operations and cutting-edge technology, Russia has become one of the most reliable suppliers of To ensure the highest fur quality, breeders typically select mink breeds with clear origins, carefully refined over multiple generations. The breeding process is conducted scientifically and meticulously to produce successive generations of minks with superior traits, meeting the ever-growing demands of the market. These courtship behaviors not only allow male minks to impress females but also help them identify suitable mates for reproduction. Plastic frames play a crucial role in securing and shaping mink fur, ensuring even drying and maintaining its natural fluffiness. The process of stretching the fur over these plastic frames helps preserve its quality, preventing wrinkles, creases, or deformation during subsequent handling and processing. Minks typically begin their breeding season in late winter, as the weather starts to warm. Their gestation period lasts about 2 to 2.5 months, after which the mother mink gives birth to a litter of 5 to 6 kits. The mother cares for her young for about 6 weeks before they are weaned and separated for individual rearing. When mink kits reach about 10 weeks old, they are vaccinated to ensure their health. By August, their fur begins to grow thicker and more lustrous, reaching its highest quality around November or December, which is the optimal time for harvesting. Mink fur, with its natural beauty and exquisite softness, has long been regarded as a symbol of luxury and elegance. Products made from mink fur, such as scarves, coats, and dresses, are always the top choice for fashion enthusiasts looking to express their unique style. Mink fur provides unmatched comfort while enhancing the sophisticated and elegant appearance of the wearer.